Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will do a comparison between Copilot and Codium. So watch till end. So let's first talk about whether these apps are free or not. So of course these apps are not free, you have to buy their subscription. Let's talk about first Codium's subscription plan. Here you can see their free plan, their Pro and their Pro Ultimate plans. You can also see the prices and you can see the features these plans offer. Now let's talk about Copilot subscription plan. Here you can see that Copilot's prices are not that much high as compared to the Codium, where the Pro was 19 and the Ultimate was 60. Here you can see that the most high is 39, not 60. You can see how much huge difference they have. So now if we talk about both these apps features, so the Codium mainly focus on code completion suggestion. Now here I have asked Codium to suggest auto completion for this code. Here you can see that I have put it in the code and now you can see that Codium is running. Here you can see that the code is completed by Codium and you can see how well this code is completed. Now if I go and if I paste the same question in the Copilot. Now here you can see that I'm pasting the same question in the Copilot. Here you can see that the Codium has also provided us possible autocomplete for this code. You can compare both these codes length and detail. Here now let's ask it to do it in more detail to see whether it can do in detail or not. Now here you can see the detailed answer from Codium, which is also not that bad. Basically, Copilot is known for explaining codes and handling comments, and it also converts ChatGPT to produce more human-like suggestions. Now let's check out how many languages both these apps offer. So let's first test this Copilot. Here I'm asking Copilot to create a JavaScript, HTML and CSS website for me about latest AI models. And here also note that how much time this Copilot is taking. Here you can see that now the answer has been provided, but it takes a lot of time as compared to the Codium. So here you can see the answer. Here you can see index HTML, here you can see whole coding, here you can see CSS style as well, and you can also see here the JavaScript in the bottom. Here you can see Copilot's approach against these languages. Here you can see that how well this Copilot has managed these languages. And it has also told us how you can use this website. Here you can see that whole instruction has been provided. Now let me copy the same question to paste in the Codium to check how Codium will handle this question. Here you can see that I am copying the question. Now here you can see that I will paste the same question in the Codium to see how Codium will react to this question. Now here also note the time how much faster Codium will provide us the answer, and here you can see that it has taken only few seconds as compared to Copilot. Copilot has taken a lot of time. Now here you can see the answer provided by this Codium. Here you can see the HTML and here you can also see the CSS style and JavaScript as well. And you can also see the instruction, not that brief as compared to the Copilot, but still quite well. Here in the website, Codium has provided us the three sections: model, application and future. Here you have seen how well both these apps has handled the languages. Now if I talk about AI model transparency, Codium is basically a proprietary model and offer less transparency as compared to Copilot. Copilot is based on OpenAI's Codex and offer more transparency. Now if we talk about performance and accuracy, Codium focus on accurate and relevant suggestions as compared to Copilot. Copilot is known for generating code snaps and sometimes less precise. Now if we talk about community and ecosystem, Codium is a smaller and new tool compared to Copilot. It has a growing community but is not as established as Copilot. Now if we talk about Copilot, Copilot is a well-established tool widely adopted in the developer community thanks to GitHub's reach and Microsoft. Now if we talk about sport editors, Codium support a variety of editors and codes editors including Visual Studio Code, JetBrains and others. Copilot primarily support Visual Studio Code but also work with NeoVim, JetBrains and some other editors. Now here you can also see on the website of Codium how many editors that they have access to. Here you can see that they have access to this VS Code, Visual Studio, Chrome and GitHub. Here you can also see that they have almost 40 plus editors access. So if I show you more, here you can see all the extensions. Here if I show you here, they almost have 40 plus extension, every possible extension they have, and Codium has access to that extension. Now if we compare these extensions to the Copilot extension, so let's go to Copilot. Here in Copilot you can see that I have asked Copilot how many extensions does they have. Here you can see that they have only given us few numbers, maybe these are 8 or 9 numbers, very less numbers compared to the Codium's extensions. Here they still have access to some popular, but still it is very less number as compared to Codium extensions. Here in Copilot you have access to only this deep thinker, no other model. And if I go to here in the Codium, here in Codium you have access to this base model. You can also gain access to their Codium Premium, Claude 3.7, Claude 3.5, ChatGPT 4, 1 mini and 1 premium in their premium plan. This is in their premium plan, so you can buy that and you can get access to all these. And now if we go to the Copilot, here in Copilot you can have this. Here in Copilot, you can also see there more updates just like you can see in Google, and here you can also upload any file or you can upload any link here. And here you can also talk to this Copilot in call mode.
Hey, I'm Copilot. You can talk to me just like you would with a friend. Feel free to ask questions, share your thoughts, or even.
Here you can also do that in Copilot, whereas in Codium you can find such options. Here in Codium you only have this option where you can add any file or any link that you want to from this plus icon. And here you can see this advanced option here. Now here you can see that I have opened the Codium in the VS Code, and you can see that Codium has access to the VS Code, and you can also open Codium in the Windows editor as well, whereas Copilot does not have such accesses. Now if I go to Codium and if I show you more, Codium also know Codium's biggest competitor. Here you can see that Codium has did a comparison between Codium and Copilot. Here if we compare the VS Code market rating, you can see that Codium has 5 star and Copilot has 3.5 stars. And here you can also see JetBrains market rating. Here you can see that Codium has again 5 and Copilot again has 3. And here you can also see the number of IDEs they offer. Here you can see that Codium offer almost 40 plus and Copilot only offer almost 15. You can also see the number of languages here. Codium offers 70 plus and Copilot only offer almost 40. And here you can also see their AI autocomplete and chat. It's available in both these Codium and Copilot. Here you also have this full repo contents awareness. Codium do, but Copilot don't do that. Here you can also see their deployment methods, and you can see that Codium offer almost 3 ways and GitHub only offer 1 way. And here you can also see the last comparison where you can see that Codium has access to the latest model where type 2, but the Copilot only have access to type 1, the previous model. And that was the comparison between Codium and Copilot. Now you better know that Codium is much better than Copilot. Here you can see many reviews by different people. Here you can see that these people have given the reviews on VS Code and Twitter where they said that Codium is much better than Copilot. Here you can see that how satisfied these people are with Codium, and you can see all these things here as well. Now here I will read some for you. Here you can see that this second one here, this says that I recently had the pleasure of using Codium. I must say it has completely transformed my coding experience. Here you can see that how satisfied they are. Here you can see one more where this says that Codium AI in data shell is driving me nuts. This is absolutely mind-blowing free tool. Here you can see that how much satisfied people are with Codium. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.